Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying to recreate Lady Gaga's makeup look in her new music video with Ariana Grande. It's called Rain on Me. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but I don't know. I just thought the makeup was super cool and I just had to jump on that trend and try to recreate something that looked like it. So if you're interested in watching, please keep watching. I don't know. I don't know if you guys have seen the music video yet. Honestly, I just feel like Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande are just constantly killing it in the music game. I think the music video just came out yesterday, but what really stood out to me about it was the makeup and the costumes especially. They had a very avant-garde kind of feel, and that's something that I really want to try and recreate. I feel like both makeup looks remind me of a look I did last year at a festival with like the white eyeliner all around. So I'll try to find a picture and insert it up there. But today I am going to try to recreate a look that's inspired by Lady Gaga's makeup look in the music video. I will insert a picture up here of the one I'm talking about, but first I need to prep my face. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Almond, and I am going to, I usually use like 2 pumps on my cheeks, and then usually do, and I usually just dot it on my nose and my chin and my forehead, and then go with the beauty blender. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte creaseless concealer. I think it's in the shade 13N, and I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. And then to set my under eyes, I'm going to be taking the Mercier translucent setting powder and a new beauty blender, and then I'm gonna do like a light bake just to really make sure there's no dark circles. I think I did a really bad job. And then I'm gonna also take it and I'm gonna swipe it right under my cheeks just a little bit, just to make them more defined, because I feel like, especially in the video, everything felt very tight and like pulled back, and so that's kind of what I'm trying to achieve here. And then next I'm going to go in with the Fenty matchsticks in the shade Amber, and I'm going to contour out my cheeks and my jawline a little bit. This is a very extra makeup look. Okay, now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to wipe off that excess powder from the under eyes. Okay, next I'm going to be using the NARS blush in Orgasm. It's my absolute favorite blush. I use it for mostly all of my makeup looks, and Just put that right on the cheekbones. And I actually like to put a little bit on the sides of my forehead too. It just kind of helps warm up the entire face. Okay, I'm gonna move on to eyes and eyebrows for a little bit, but before I do my eyebrows, I like to go in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and just kind of shape them, slick them a little bit, just because I have really Asian eyebrows, so they tend to point downward, and when I put on the brow gel before instead of after, it really helps when I fill them in because it kind of gives me the shape I want. So I'm gonna let those dry for a second. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my brows. Oh, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. I've probably been using it for like 8 years now. And I'm gonna try and make them a little bit thinner on the end, just because I feel like that's what Lady Gaga had in the video, but I'm gonna try to arch them quite a bit. Okay, now that I've finished filling them in, I try to make them a little bit more arched than I normally would, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a winged liner. I'm gonna make it kind of dramatic, like her look. And so I'm gonna use the Too Faced, oh, can't see it, Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm gonna start really thin on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see, but I'm trying to make the line really thin on the inner corners of my eyes. And then what I do every time I do like a cat eye or winged liner, I keep my eyes open when I do it, especially if you have like hooded eyelids. This is a really good trick to follow, but you keep your eyes open and try to look straight ahead, because if you try to close your eyes and follow the line, when you open your eyes, all of a sudden you have all this extra skin, and so it's just gonna look droopy and it's not gonna look the same. So if you want to have a really sharp line, keep your eyes open. And then I start by drawing the line at the corner of my eye, like that. I don't know if you can see that. And then I just connect it and I fill it in. I'm gonna try to define it a little bit. Okay, now that we have our wing liner done, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Colourpop liquid liner in white to kind of trace out the shape of the wing or cat eye that she had in the video. Okay, now that that's done, I feel like I look like a swan, or like, I don't know, this kind of reminds me of the makeup from the movie Black Swan. I don't know if you ever saw that. It was really scary, with Natalie Portman as the ballerina, but that's kind of what this reminds me of. Okay, so next I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put on some falsies to make the look way more dramatic. And then I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because it's my absolute favorite. It makes your lashes super thick. And now I'm gonna put on some falsies. I'm gonna use these Ardell Wispies. I'm just gonna put these on real fast. Okay, now that those are on, I don't know if you can see them, but I'm gonna put on one of these little rhinestones on the corner of my eye like she had. I just got these from Amazon and I'm gonna use size 1. They're kind of small, these ones. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of eyelash glue in the corner where I want the rhinestone to be. Great. There. And then I'm gonna use these tweezers to put it on. Okay, so just a couple more things until this look is done. I'm going to put on a little bit of highlight, just the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. It's literally just the prettiest, most iridescent highlighter. And I just gotta put that on the tops of my cheeks. And a little bit down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to line my lips a little bit using the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Pillow Talk. It's my favorite lip liner. Oh, it actually needs to be sharpened. Okay. And then the last thing, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. Just because I feel like Lady Gaga had very glossy, shiny lips. I normally don't like lip gloss at all because I don't like the sticky feeling. But for this look, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. I feel like this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more makeup tutorials, beauty, skincare videos, so please stay tuned and I'll see you next time.